As Varazo Engage is designed for business, agency, and franchise, one account can manage a single site or multiple sites. For this reason, there is a site overview page to manage multiple sites in the account and add a new site button to add a new site to the account. Top right of the main panel displays three icons. The first icon displays alert messages for site failure. And second icon displays messaging. And third icon displays overdue task. Clicking the name on the right shows the menu for account info, preference, and billing, invoice, and white labeling. Varazo Engage has 4 main marketing channels. And 11 media channels. And 5 tab pages. Report tab display 11 media channel report. And while 4 other tabs display a shared page by 4 marketing channels. Default tab page is an app page. Top of app page has media and app setup. Once the setup is performed by clicking the red button in Engage column, data is loaded onto the report page. For example, clicking Engage button for Google Ad. Open the dialog box to say Google or Bing ad account. Once saved, the ad report is available on the report page of SEM campaign channel. Right below the setup, it displays apps or tool bookmark. Each bookmark can define a level of sharing and save a login ID. You can relocate with reorder button and add a new bookmark by clicking the button Define and Share Apps. Bookmark can be triggered with the timer by clicking the timer icon, or without it by clicking the name of icon. The timer tracks the duration of the session. Until you close the timer or close the browser session. The timer control panel appears yellow at the bottom of the Varazo Engage screen. The control panel has Add Note, Pause and Resume, and End button. During the app session, you can add a note anytime by clicking the timer panel button and pause the timer and resume it. If you need to correct the duration of the session, you can also do it by entering the inactive time. Once you save the note, activity log is generated. And available from Activity Log tab. You can also edit the log or delete it. Third tab in the channel is Task. Varazo defined the digital marketing activity as either task or routine task. Since most digital marketing activity need to be performed periodically, a few major routines such as SEM routine, SEO, and social routine is defined out of box. A task is considered as one-time task, such as project task that has a start date and end date, and it's closed with the status of completed or cancelled. Routine task status can be updated by clicking the button, status button, or action button. Activity tracker dialog lets you trigger the app. And add a note after working on the app. Fourth step is the marketing journaling page. It lets you record and share marketing information and activity while communicating with the marketing staff. Currently listed in my team. Last step page is activity log. This page displays app activity log, and task log. You can delete the log to keep the information precise and accurate. Right below the marketing channel, Varazo Engage display My Workspace. While there are menus of messaging, task, calendar, the major use of My Workspace is to manage Document Manager and Media Library. My Team menu lets you add internal staff as well as outsourcing staff by their access privilege. And role. Once the member is added to the team, he or she will share the communication automatically. You can generate a scheduled report or on-the-spot report by selecting the channel and clicking the download button.